can you solve one of the hardest array coding questions that appears at every single company? So given an array where each element represents the starting time and the ending time of a meeting, return the minimum number of conference rooms that is needed. Let's say we're given this example, there are no overlapping meetings, so we just need one conference room. Now let's say we're given this example, there are 3 overlapping meetings, so we need at least 3 conference rooms. Let's go over the thought process. We can first sort the array based on the starting time of each of the meetings. This will allow us to process the meetings in order. Then for each of the starting time, we will need a way to check if any of the previous meetings has already ended. We will need a way to retrieve the earliest ending time of the previous meetings. What we can do is to create a min heap to keep track of our meetings. This will allow us to quickly retrieve the meetings with the earliest ending times. Then for each of the meetings, we will first remove the meetings that has already ended inside the heap before adding the current meeting. And lastly, the largest size of the min heap is the minimum number of required conference rooms. Let's implement the function minimum meeting rooms, taking in the meetings, sort the meetings based on the starting time, create the min heap and the number of rooms, iterate through the meetings. While there are meetings that has already ended, remove elements from the heap, add the current meeting to the min heap, update rooms if the size of the heap is greater, then we can return rooms.